Hi guys, happy new year to you guys. I hope you're doing very well. Starting the new year, we'll be creating this awesome flyer that I did last year. I would like to share my process with you guys. In this tutorial, I will take you through an overview of how I created this flyer process by process. You will learn my process from the mood boarding to the final export. This tutorial is in two parts. In the first part of this tutorial, we'll be covering the setup phase of the design. Sit tight, watch, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Before my design, I gather snippets of design styles that I would want to explore for my own design. Most times I cut out layouts, text effects, image styles, color usage, and so on. This is done using Behance, Instagram, or just Google and a snipping tool app on Windows, or I could just download or take a screenshot of the image I want to get my snippet from. All my findings are then arranged in a mood board where I quickly sketch out a wireframe of my design layout. This phase is usually optional. For some simpler tasks, I do all this in my head. Now that I know what I'm heading for, I get the design elements either offline or online, sometimes using only a simple Google search of short keywords that are related to what I need. Next, I start the design by bringing in the background elements and adjusting them to fit the predetermined layout. This usually involves cutting out some parts, resizing, rotating, fixing some colors, and so on. Here, I brought in the Xmas tree and cut out the fake PNG background that came with it. Then I made duplicates and combined them to form an element for the corners. This is what I used to create a decorative edge for the entire design. Next, I brought in the leaves, cut and fixed them into the background. I added a slight drop shadow to this one and adjusted the green color to fit the existing green on the Xmas tree. For the second, I added a similar drop shadow. I added a custom vignette at the edges to drive attention towards the center. I fixed in some shading to the background color to make it look like a soft gradient. Having already arranged the text without colors, I went on to add the effect, texture and color I pre-planned. I chose a color that will easily pop out of the dominant green, that is yellow. Actually a greenish kind of yellow, not the actual gold yellow. at this point, I was checking the legibility. Never sell legibility for beauty. I constantly critique my work to influence better design decisions. At this point, I brought in the body text and set the alignment with proper line and paragraph spacing. What I do in this stage is to bring all other secondary elements in and adjust them to fit the layout. Always know all the content you will be working with before you start designing, or have at least an idea of the space they will occupy. Here I'm basically finding the best way to position them on the layout. I'll see you guys in the next part of this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.